What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James Z. Today we're gonna go over NIO and their public offering of 68 million shares. What's that mean for the company? What do I see in the price action going on? What do I see in the chart pattern? And just break it down a little bit. But before I do that, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes doing research, who loves the stock market, and I love to share this information with anybody willing to listen. But that being said, man, let's just get right into this. So as we can see right here, NIO Inc. has announced price offering for 68 million shares. In which they had already said that they're going to be having an offering of 68 million. They originally said that they wanted an offering around $43.89, but this is what happened. So on December 14th, which is today, Monday, NIO Inc., NIO Inc., a pioneer in Chinese premium smart electric vehicle market, today announces a price offering of 68 million American depository shares. Each represent one Class A ordinary share of the common ADS offering at a price of $39 per American depository share. The company has granted the underwriters in the American Depository Share offering a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional $10.2 million. So if you do the math, 68 times 39, that's over $2.6 billion in raised capital. It dilutes. It obviously going to dilute the shares a little bit, adding 68 million more shares. But again, man, you got to put it in the perspective of how great this company truly is. And for someone to put in, an investment of $2.6 million, I mean, come on, man, that's big news, man. With an additional purchase of 10.2. I mean, that's huge, man. So Morgan Stanley and China International Corporation and Hong Kong Securities Limited are acting as representatives for the underwriters in the ADS offering. The ADSs are offered under the company's shelf registration statement of Form F3, which is filed in the Securities and Exchange Commission and automatically became effective on June 9, 2020. The American Depository Share offering is being made only by means of a prospectus, supplement, and an accompanying prospectus included in the Form F3. The Form F3 is a prospectus supplement are available at the SEC website. Copies of the prospectus supplement and the accompanying prospectus may be obtained from Morgan Stanley. The prospectus department prospectus may be obtained from Morgan Stanley. Okay, second floor, blah, blah, blah. The companies plan to use the net proceeds from the American Depository Share offering mainly for research and development of new products and generations of autonomous driving technologies, sales and service network expansion, and market penetration and general corporate purposes. So again, man, they're going to utilize those funds in a great way, man. R&D, man, research and development for their autonomous cars. I mean, come on, man. Everybody sees that as a future. So adding $2.6 billion in research, I mean, that is not a bad thing. Yes, it's going to have an effect on the price short term because we obviously been trading in the low 40s between, that 42 to 45 range. And, if we just get into it real quick, as you can see, we're down to the 39s, which we did tap the 38s. As you can see right here, we tapped 38.76. So it did break below the nines briefly this morning pre-market. For me personally, it's 5:30 a.m. West Coast time. So again, this to me, for me personally, it's a great time to dip buy. It's a great time to add shares at this point for me personally. Because it is a great price to still purchase, man, because you have to look at the long-term perspective instead of the short-term. Now, if you're a buyer above 39, obviously you're down, but why sell your shares? In my opinion, that's just me thinking. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes researching this shit. And everything about this company says buy me for the long term. Buy me for 5 to 10 years down the line. That's what this company is telling me on everything that I see about it. And then for them to raise capital of $2.6 billion with a potential to raise another $400 million with another additional 10 million shares. You know, it's just a great time to purchase this stock. I mean, 39.77 right now. I mean, that's an amazing price. I honestly never thought it would get back below 40. But again, just to put that in perspective, like I've talked about in previous videos, that there is heavy support in the 38 area. So it didn't go below 38. And if someone is purchasing, you know, 68 million shares at $39, what do you think that they're thinking? I mean, who would purchase, you know, that many shares at $39 if they're expecting this company to drop off? That's not going to happen. Again, man, I think by next year, we're going to be reaching new highs again, sometime in the beginning of next year. I'm not sure exactly on the time frame of that, but I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that this company is still going to skyrocket at some point, because it's up there with Tesla, man. I think other than Tesla, NIO is that other top dog, you feel me, in the EV market. And I don't see that changing anytime soon. I think it's a great thing that they have an offering of $2.6 billion with the potential for another $400 million. So, I mean, that's $3 billion being thrown at this company. There's been a lot of money thrown at NIO lately by institutional investors. There's been a lot of money thrown into NIO by retail investors. I mean, and now there's a lot of money in this offering getting thrown. I mean, it's no joke, man. So for me personally, now would be a great time to buy some more shares, which I might just exit a few of my positions and do so. You know, I'm very much tempted to do so. But luckily for me, my other positions are looking really good and really promising right now too. So, you know, I'm kind of debating right now because I really do want to buy some more NIO. I really want to buy some more. But my other positions are looking really promising as well. So, you know, I'm kind of torn right now because I love NIO, man. I truly love NIO. I really see this being huge in the long run. So, you know, anybody that bought over this price, anybody that bought in the 40s or the 50s, my opinion, just me personally looking at everything, I also have shares in this in one account at an average price of 53, like 53.90s, somewhere in there. I want to say 53.80s, 53.90s, somewhere in there. And there's no panic button for me, man. This is for the long term. This is going to be great. My original shares I got in at 27.56. So, you know, again, man, no panic on my part. Obviously, in this account, you see my average price of 32.41. So I've been buying shares of this since the 20s, since the high 20s, and been adding shares. So, you know, it's, for me, no big deal. It's just a perfect time to average down on some of those shares I bought at the 53 range. But I don't plan on selling those shares at all. You know, I believe it's going to be right back up there and then break the highs of the 58s by next year. So, you know, holding over the 38 area, you know, I said that before in previous videos. We have heavy support in the 38 range. And, you know, for them to have the offering come out at 39, you know, that's decent. I was hoping it would be a little bit higher. But again, in the long term, it really doesn't matter because it's a great fucking company. So remember that. I mean, if anybody's trying to trade this right now, then yeah, obviously you'd be down some money if you bought in the 40s. But for the long term, just like I said in the last video, I just see this consolidating within this 40 to 45 range for a while. Just like we see in the long term, just like we see in the beginning of the chart pattern when it first had its run, consolidated for a while before it finally had another break. And then obviously this is where we started picking up speed and it started popping up on everybody's radars, and then now everybody wanted in. I see that pretty much happening next year as well, just pushing to new higher levels. So again, NIO, 68 million shares offered at $39 a share. Is it time to hit that panic button? Fuck no, it ain't. Time to double up? Fuck yes, it is. You feel me? So again, guys, if you guys watched this far, I appreciate you so much. You know, Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think about NIO. Let me know what you're going to do with NIO. You know, are you going to buy some more shares? Are you selling shares? Man, let's have a conversation, man. Leave a comment and I'll respond as soon as possible. And I appreciate y'all leaving comments too. I love having conversations about anything stock market related, anything finance related, anything mindset related. Again, man, you can't stop Mafia as a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So NIO public offering, 68 million shares at $39 a share. For me, that's a great thing. Time to double up. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, that's going to be it for this video today. Please let me know. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.